How to make squiggly lines in Apple Motion. First, add your line or create your line. Turn off fill. Add a bump map filter. So filters, distortion, bump map. Create a new group, Command Shift N. Add an object into this new group, generators, generator, and clouds. Set the first, second, and third layer strength to 0. And the horizontal scale to 64. And your vertical scale, reduce it a bit, around 20 is okay. Then here on the map, drag this new group inside the map image. Turn off your map. Change the controls to horizontal and vertical. Change the horizontal scale to however you like. Then go to the group of your line. Check fix resolution, and then you will have squiggly lines. Then next step is go to clouds, reduce the speed to 0, go to offset, add a randomized filter on the X, so add parameter behavior randomize, then adjust the frequency and noisiness as you like. Then you will have something like this. That's how to animate a squiggly or wriggly line in Apple Motion.